This is the Sony BRAVIA Theater U, the first ever wearable TV speaker from Sony. It looks a little strange, right? Like a spaceship collar for your shoulders. But I promise, it's incredibly cool. This thing is all about giving you that big, immersive movie theater sound without bothering anyone else in the room. Sounds too good to be true? Well, without further ado, let's find out whether this $299 wearable TV speaker worth buying. First things first, let's open this up. Inside the box, you'll find the speaker itself, a charging cable, and a little instruction booklet. The design is definitely different. Imagine a horseshoe shape that sits on your shoulders. It's padded, so it's pretty comfortable, and it's flexible, so you can adjust it to fit your neck size. One thing I love is how light this speaker is. It feels solid, but it won't weigh you down, so you can wear it for hours during those epic movie marathons. You'll notice all the controls are along the bottom: power, volume, etc. Pretty straightforward stuff. Alright, forget about the looks for a second, because the most important part is, how does this thing actually sound? Well, Sony really has some magic tech going on here. They call it 360 spatial sound, and the idea is it creates a bubble of surround sound around your head. It's like having your own private movie theater that follows you wherever you go. So I fired up some action movies, and let me tell you, this little shoulder speaker delivers. Explosions feel big and boomy. Voices are clear even during chaotic scenes, and you can even hear stuff happening behind you. It's honestly mind-blowing how well it works. Of course, music sounds amazing too. The Theater U has these special upward-facing speakers that make the audio feel big and open, kind of like you're at a concert. Forget about those tinny, muffled sounds you sometimes get from regular portable speakers. The Theater U has a special mode designed for playing single-player games with a wired connection. This cuts down any of that annoying audio delay you usually get with wireless devices, so your explosions and gunshots will sound perfectly in sync with the action on screen. The Theater U doesn't just do movies and games. Thanks to Bluetooth, you can pair it with your phone and use it for hands-free calls at home. I tested it, and the microphone is great. I could walk around my kitchen prepping dinner while chatting with a friend, and they heard me clear as day. One worry I had was the battery life. Nobody wants their movie to cut out mid-action. Thankfully, Sony says the Theater U can last about 12 hours on a single charge, which seems to be accurate in my testing. This bad boy has enough juice to even handle those extra long Lord of the Rings movie marathons. So here's the big question. Is the BRAVIA Theater U practical? Well, it depends. If you live alone, probably not. You can get similar surround sound with a nice set of headphones, but if you live with other people, maybe a partner or roommates, and you like blasting movies or games late at night, this thing is a lifesaver. Your housemates will thank you. Let's wrap this up. The Sony BRAVIA Theater U is a one-of-a-kind device. It's a little quirky, sure, but it packs incredible sound into a super comfy wearable package. Whether you're a movie buff, a hardcore gamer, or just someone who loves rocking out to music without disturbing everyone around, the Theater U is worth a serious look. Of course, it's not perfect. It's a bit pricey, and the design probably won't be for everyone. But if you want an immersive audio experience that won't get you kicked out of your living room, you might just have found your new best friend. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the Sony BRAVIA Theater U, drop a comment below. Until next time.